Are you having that time when you can't believe it's already time to start thinking about back to school? New backpacks, new school supplies, new teachers, new schedules, and for a lot of families, a little bit of excitement mixed with a little bit of how are we going to get back into this routine again? So today I want to share 2 simple essential oil ideas for back to school that I think are incredibly useful. The first one is something I love having in my students' backpack. And the other one is my favorite little gifts to give to teachers. The first one is Thinker essential oil. This one I recommend having available for students because there are times when kids simply need a little help creating a focus, familiar routine. Thinker combines Vetiver, Peppermint, Clementine, and Rosemary in a convenient pre-diluted roll-on that was created specifically with kids in mind. And I especially like it for those moments when a child needs to sit down and really focus on what's in front of him or her. Maybe it's homework. Maybe they're trying to get through some reading. Maybe it's the afternoon and their brain is just done, right? Or maybe they have a test, a project, or a busy day ahead and they want to have a little reset. And you can use it simply by rolling it on the back of the neck. I like to rub it to warm it up. Or you can roll it on the wrists. Kids can grab it from their backpacks and apply it quickly when it's focus time. And I love the idea of making it a familiar cue for kids. Okay, it's time to reset. It's time to focus. Let's take the next step. For kids, having little routines like this can make the transition into homework or study time feel more intentional. And honestly, I think moms need every little tool that we can get when it comes to homework. One thing I especially like about Thinker is that it's already pre-diluted and it's in a roll-on, so it's really convenient to keep in a backpack, desk, or in a homework area. Now, the second idea is one that has become kind of a tradition for me. It is lemon essential oil. Almost every teacher in the elementary school received a bottle of lemon from me at some point. And I would include a little note explaining some of the ways that they could use it in their classroom. Because lemon isn't just a cheerful, great smelling oil. It can be surprisingly useful as well. First of all, it has that bright, uplifting aroma that can make a classroom smell fresh and cheerful. But here's my favorite classroom use. It's actually the whiteboard. Have you ever erased the whiteboard and then there's still that stubborn marker residue left behind? Well, a little lemon can be incredibly useful for those leftover marks. It takes it right off. And teachers know that classrooms are basically sticker battle zones sometimes. So those stuck on stickers or glue or tape, lemon. Sticky residue, lemon. Gum stuck somewhere, it absolutely should not be. Well, that's when you're going to reach for your lemon as well. I've given this little gift to teachers so many times, and I've often gotten the biggest thank you afterwards, because sometimes the best gifts aren't the big fancy ones. Sometimes it's a little bottle of something that makes their everyday life just a bit easier. And as we head into another school year, if that's where you're at right now, I just want to encourage all of you moms. You don't have to have everything perfectly organized. You don't have to send your kids off with every single thing figured out. We're just looking for little ways to make our family's lives a little easier and a little more intentional. For me, that's what these little oils are all about. Thinker can become part of a student's focus and study routine, and lemon makes a thoughtful, practical little gift for teachers who's going to spend so much time loving, teaching, and encouraging your child this year. And if you happen to be a teacher watching this, thank you. Seriously, thank you for the patience, the time, the energy you pour into our kids. And to all the moms getting ready for school, you've got this. Here's to a new school year filled with learning, growing, good friends, great teachers, and hopefully just a little less homework drama. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Oils with Lynn because I've got a lot more simple, natural ideas coming your way. And I'll see you in the next video. See ya.